Hi, it's Tom here from Sparky Nearby Electricians. Just wanted to talk to you today about ASP2 or Level 2 Electricians and what that means. ASP2 stands for Authorized Service Provider Level 2, and that means that we're authorized by Ausgrid to work on their network. So the power pole's out the front and the cable's going from the power pole to the house, and then things like electricity metering, etc. So what are the common jobs that we do as level 2 electricians? We most commonly would be responding to emergency repairs. So there's been a storm, a tree branch has fallen down over some cables and taken the wires down to your house. That's the kind of thing we can help you with. You can't use a normal electrician for that. They have to be level 2 or ASP2 authorized to work on the network for a number of reasons, mostly being that it's extremely dangerous. There's no way of turning those power cables off because you'd have to turn off the whole grid. So it's a matter of working live, it's a matter of working at heights. You have to have a whole bunch of different insurances and tickets kind of thing to do it. So power cables come down, we can help you out with that. Maybe you've got water in a switchboard which has caused it to short out. That's the other kind of thing we can do. But also maybe you want to do an upgrade. You want to get more power at your house. You want to do a switchboard upgrade. We can do that. Or alternatively, we can put in private power poles and then run your cables underground to your main switchboard, which would be a better aesthetic than having overhead cables running across the front of your house. So maybe the other jobs we do would be things like point of attachment, which is a hook at the front of the house. They often get rotted or rusted out, and then they kind of hang down. And you'll see the cables from the street where they attach to your house. They're just hanging by the cable rather than hanging by that hook that used to be there. So that's one to have a look at. And of course, switchboard fires. If you get a switchboard fire, you're going to need a level 2 electrician to check the cables going back up to the street, make sure they're okay, because quite often that will be one of the main reasons that there's been a fire. The supply cable's been overloaded. So yeah, if you've got any questions or you need any level 2 electrical work done, we'd be more than happy to help out. So it's Tom from Sparky Nearby. Thanks very much. See you later.